Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Well, look what happened yesterday. April came and handed me this morning. I said, you gotta be kidding. Seriously? 700,000 subscribers. 700,000 subscribers achieved December 5th, 2024, Steve's Small Engine Saloon. I can't even tell you how humbled I am by this, to be honest with you. It snuck right up on me. I can clearly remember when I got 25 subscribers. You know why? Because at that point I realized this is more than just family and friends subscribing to my channel now. This is complete strangers, don't know me, I don't know them. They're starting to subscribe to my channel. That was cool. This is a wee bit cooler. Thank you to everyone out there who made this possible. Obviously, it's all because of you subscribing. Hey, if you're watching this video right now and you have not subscribed yet, maybe you could be one of the ones that helps me hit 800,000 subscribers. Just saying. Hey, you want to watch a repair video now? I got some clickable thumbnails for you coming up right now. Click on one of those. Cheers, Steve out.